Hey guys, I have just finished round 2 of carpets, and they're starting to look better. They look better than what they was. Still a little bit dirty, but I'm working on it. Hold on a second. It's still not dried. I've got to come out here and dry it though, or that'll make it smell bad. It's doing pretty good though. But if this don't get it completely clean, I'm going to go to Walmart and pick up some carpet shampoo stuff. But it seems to be doing pretty good right now. I'm going to have another review for you tomorrow. And it's going to be different. We're going to be reviewing this. The dirt bike. And I've got to fix it. And once it's fixed, there will be another review. I've got to change the spark plug. It's went bad. And I had to drain the gas out. So but back to the truck carpets. I'm going to be doing this for about a week. And if it don't work, I'm going to be getting some stuff to clean the carpets. And the reason I'm doing this, getting it so clean and stuff, is because we're going to be trading this truck in on a newer model. And the cleaner it is, the better it looks, better the carpet looks, the more they're going to want to give. So I will have a review on that new truck. So, more videos coming soon.